The wait is finally over. Today, we're unboxing the future of immersive light, the DJI Avata 360. This is the DJI's first ever dedicated 360-degree Cinebook. It promises to change how we film, allowing us to fly first and frame later in stunning 8K. Meet the DJI Avata 360. It's the first FPV drone designed to capture every single angle simultaneously. This set comes with the DJI RC2 with large built-in screen and Offer Plus system. This kit comes with the new intelligent flight batteries. Performance-wise, DJI squeezed 23 minutes of flight time out of this new 38.6 Watt-hour battery. Now, let's check out the accessories. This bright orange landing pad is a must-have. It keeps your drone away from dust and grass during takeoff. It's portable, easy to fold, and gives you a clear target for every landing. In this steel box, we have our extra propellers, mounting screws, and the specialized tools you'll need for a quick maintenance. And now, let's open the box of the DJI Goggles Entry. Inside, we've got the user manual and some extra accessories to help you get the perfect fit. And here they are. These goggles are surprisingly lightweight and designed for comfort even during those longer flight sessions. And with the Offer Plus transmission, you're getting a rock-solid 1080p fit even at 20 kilometers away. Everything about this drone screams quality, whether you're a beginner or a pro. The Avata 360 is the ultimate game changer. With dual 1-inch sensors, it shoots massive 8K 60fps HDR on 360 mode and 4K 60fps on single lens. Built with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards, it's the safest way to get complex, high-end cinematic footage. And down here, we have the downward-facing sensors for stable hovering and precision landing even in tricky spots. Accessing your footage is easy with the side-mounted USB-C and microSD slots protected by a sturdy rubber seal. And with the DJI Goggles Entry, RC Motion 3 and RC2, we are ready to go. Let's test it out.